Good morning, children. One last class మనం ఏం చదువుకున్నామా? లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం చదివింది ఏంటి? రిఫ్లెక్సివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్, పర్సనల్ ప్రొనౌన్స్, రిఫ్లెక్సివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ చదివామన్నమాట. ఇందులో మనం ఏం చెప్పాము? వాట్ ఆర్ పర్సనల్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ already we have learned that I, we, he, she, it, they, them are your personal pronoun. What is the first of all? What is a pronoun? Pronoun comes in the place of, used in the place or. Make understand avudamiki. To your knowledge, I'm saying that it comes in the place of a noun. It is used instead of a noun. I told you in the last class. Always it is very difficult for us to maintain the name, means telling the name in all the 3 or 4 sentences. Instead of using the name, we are going to use pronoun. Pronoun is nothing but it is used in the place of a noun. Pronouns examples are I, he, we, she, they, them. These all are your pronouns. They are also known as the personal pronouns. I, me, you, he, she, they, we all. So today I also taught you about the reflexive pronouns. So for reflexive pronouns, you are going to add SCLF, REF, LEXIVX, reflexive pronouns. We are going to use SCLF, self. We are going to use self. Reflexive pronouns, we are going to use self. Self to the pronouns like for my, your. Okay, now my, you, our, them, etc. Okay, now you are going to use self for them. You are going to add self for that. Understood? You are going to use self. So here, I went to the doctor. I went to the movie myself. I went to the Hyderabad myself, like that. For my, here in the reflexive pronouns, again we are talking. This is reflected to the subject. What I told you in the reflexive pronouns, again the subject of the sentence. Okay, now the subject of the sentence again fall back. Means again we are going to talk about that subject only by using the reflexive pronoun. In the name itself, reflexive is nothing but comes in the place. Again it is reflected to the particular thing. For example, I told you in the last class, if I throw the rubber ball to the wall, the ball again come back to me. It comes back to me. So it reflects to me only. So in the same way, for example, I am the subject here. So again, what happened? I am throwing the rubber ball there. So again, it is coming to me only. That is myself, subject. Okay, now it reflects about the subject. Example, I told you, Rita goes to school herself. Okay, now Ramu watches movie by sitting himself. Examples I am telling. So here we are talking about that particular person in the subject, particular person in the beginning of the sentence. Again, this is reflected back by using SCLF for the reflexive, for the pronoun. So himself is nothing but this subject only. Okay, now this subject only. Reflexive pronoun is nothing but himself, itself, everything. It again reflects to the subject. It again reflects to the సబ్జెక్ట్. అండర్స్టూడ్? మనం ముందు సబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కదా, దాని గురించి మళ్ళీ SCLF యూజ్ చేసి ప్రొనౌన్స్కి SCLF యాడ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ దాని గురించే రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యేటట్టు మనం దాని గురించే మాట్లాడతాం అనమాట. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ రిఫ్లెక్సివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ రిఫ్లెక్సివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్? వర్డ్స్ షో దట్ యాక్షన్ డన్ బై ద సబ్జెక్ట్ టర్న్స్ బ్యాక్ అపాన్ ది సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆర్ కాల్. మళ్ళీ దానిపైనే మనం స్టార్టింగ్లో మాట్లాడిన దానిపైనే మళ్ళీ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి దాని గురించే మాట్లాడతాం. వేరే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి. Here I told you, Rita goes to school herself. When Rita goes to school herself, Rita is a subject here, herself. We are using HER, her plus SCLF. Okay, now. So again, this herself is nothing but talking about Rita only.
నిన్న మేడం చెప్పారండి నిజం మేడం. సరే ఇవ్వండి. ఇప్పుడు కావాలి థర్డ్ వద్దు, ఫిఫ్త్ 5 సెకండ్ వేరే మేడం ఉన్నారు.
కొద్దిగా మేడం
అదే నాకు వచ్చి చెప్పండి.
Okay. So Nana, understood Nana? So today here reflection science in future also you'll be studying about the reflection of the rays in the science or physics. Okay, physics lo gaani physics lone చదువుతారు మీరు, అర్థమైందా? So and the reflexive pronouns are nothing but they are used by using SCL, adding SCL to the pronouns. Reflexive pronouns అనే ఏమీ కాదు, ప్రొనౌన్స్కి SCLF యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం. ఓకేనా? మీకు నేను చార్ట్ చూపిస్తాను నాన్న. ఒక చార్ట్ చూడండి. ఆ చార్ట్ చూస్తే అది సింగల్ ఉంటుంది, ప్లూరల్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ చార్ట్ నేను ఏం చూపిస్తాను మీకు అర్థం చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి. See here. Form C. Brown line forms of reflexive pronouns. Okay na? First one, personal or possessive pronouns. POSSESSIE, possessive pronouns. Possessive అంటే ఏమి కాదమ్మా, ఓనర్షిప్ తెలియజేసేదాన్ని. దిస్ ఇస్ Rita's bag, Sita's car, Rita's Rani's bangle, like that. Then here you are going to add reflexive. Here, see here, singular and idle. Singular, I, you are, him. When we are going to use plural, at that time we are going to use SELF for the singular. When plural, SELVES, selves. See here, her, it. Now, to make a reflexive pronoun, we are going to add self for the personal pronouns. Okay nama, మనం యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. I కి myself, my, SELF. Your, yourself. These are the singular form. Your, yourself. Him, himself. Her, herself. It, itself. Then again singular, plural, 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 OUR, our. When it is in plural, OUR, our, OURSELVES, ourselves. YOUR, your, yourselves. Okay, now them, themselves. Okay, Rama, this is the way. See, when you are writing the singular form, this table is very important for you. Singular, personal and or possessive pronouns. Personal pronoun is nothing but which shows the ownership. Understood, Nana? So, for the singular thing you are going to use SELF. I, myself, yourself, him, himself, her, herself, it, itself. Okay, na? When you are coming to the plural thing, you are going to use SELVS. Ourselves. You are yourself. Okay, na? Them, themselves. Understood? This is the way. If you know this chart, means just one thing you are going to understand, that for singular with what you are going to use, and for plural what you are going to use. For singular you are going to use self, plural you are going to use selves. Okay, Nama? See here, practice zone. This table you are going to write. You are going to write in your FN, Nana. Okay, na? See now, practice zone 2, page number 93. Pick the correct option to complete the following sentences and rewrite the sentences. My grandparents made the house. Ourselves, themselves. What will come? Ourselves, themselves. Themselves. Okay, na? Here, she cooked this meal, himself, herself. She cooked this meal, himself, herself. This is, she is gender changed this here. Okay, Nama? She means for girls. So you are going to write herself. A newborn animal cannot take care of itself, themselves. Tanantal tana care teeskoledu. Itself or themselves. Okay, na? Itself. Come and help yourself or ourselves. Come and help yourselves or ourselves. Okay, Nama? Yourself. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the underlined word with suitable reflexive pronouns from the box. Repeat the words required. See that you take the help of the helping box words and complete the underlined word. John is only, page number 94. John is only 5 years old, but he arranged the birthday party without any help. John is only 5 years old, but he arranged the birthday party without any help himself. The young girl wanted to wear the jewelry by herself. So on her own means herself. The puppy got stuck under the gate and forced its way out itself. Page number 95. We took the decision on our own. Ourselves. He brought some tea and snacks on his own. Himself, you are going to write. He, himself. Our. We means our. Okay. Okay, you understood the reflexive and reflexive pronouns, Nana? Personal pronouns are nothing but I, we, he, you, she, they. Those are your personal pronouns. And we also call it as possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are nothing but which shows the ownership of the particular thing. Okay, na? Next one. Here, reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self to the personal pronouns. I, myself, yourself. When it is singular only, you are going to use self. When it is plural, you are going to use selves. Understood, Nana? When it is singular, you are going to use self. When it is plural, you are going to use selves. Understood? Here, I will put in the notes in the WhatsApp group, Nana, whatever. Okay, na? I will be putting the notes in the WhatsApp group about the reflexive and personal pronouns. Okay, na? So, write neatly. The means I have given the tabular form how reflexive pronouns are formed. That you see the video and copy in your notes. Write neatly. Understood? Write neatly and put the notes in the WhatsApp group. You are going to write like this in the same way. You are going to write the forms of reflexive pronoun heading. Make 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay, na? In the first column, first box, leave off. In the middle one, you are going to write personal and possessive pronouns and reflexive pronouns heading. In the first column, you are going to write singular. In that singular, we are going to write the personal pronouns. I, your, him, her, it. For I, myself, your, yourself, him, himself, her, herself, it, itself. Okay, Nana? Understood? Okay. So, please copy neatly. Understood? Write neatly and post in the group. Okay? I'll be seeing the work. Okay, bye. Write neatly. I'll be putting the notes in the group. Okay, bye.